In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to remove any video background without any green screen with the help of Canva Online as well as Canva mobile app. So let's begin. Go to canva.com and create your account. I would advise you to go for a pro account. If you don't have it, I have left my Canva Pro link in the description. You can upgrade your account. Once you open your Canva account, please go to this video option, and from here you choose your required aspect ratio. For me, it is 1920 into 1080. Once you get the plain template, you'll have to go to upload video option and upload your video. Go to this, keeping the video selected, go to this top left hand side, edit video option. Here two options are there. One is tool, one is adjustment. Go to tool and background remover. This is a pro feature. That's the reason I asked you to go for a pro account. Once you click on remove background option, it will show you how much it has completed the work. And your video background is removed. Now you can take a filter from here in order to make it more intense. Intensity you can change from here. Videos option, you will get different videos. Otherwise, you can upload your own desired background from here. I will upload a couple of backgrounds which I have chosen. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Now I have taken this background from this videos option only. You can go to this videos option and in check you will get different type of backgrounds. You can choose any one from here. So for the time being, I will be giving 3 splits here, frame by frame. So right click and split the page. Here again, right click and split the page. Okay. So here I will be uploading one background from here. Let me take this one. I will right click and set the background. Now you can adjust your own video like so. Now if you want to give an animation here, go to select the background, go to animation option. Here you have some magic animation. If you want, you can take that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take the background and I'm going to give a zoom out animation. Photo zoom animation. Okay. So I'll go to this photo zoom animation and I will go to zoom out option, because when the subject is coming towards the camera, I should give a zoom out option to the background. Now here is one drawback in Canva. You don't have a filter option or you don't have a feathering option. Now in other tutorial, I'm going to show you another way to remove background in some other software which is going to be paid. That's the reason I have shown you in Canva. So after all this, if you want to give a transition in between these three, then go to this transition option in between two slides or any transition, whatever you like. Okay, for me, I think this one would be good, and you can increase or decrease the duration. And after all this, go to the share option, go to download, keeping it MP4, select all the 3 pages and download it. After all this is the final result. Now this is not all. In the next part, I am going to show you how you can remove any video's background which has got more than one character. Now select the video, go to edit video option, background remover. So my video background, you can see nicely it has got removed. So there is no glitch at all at the back. Now you can replace it in the same way with a video or a photo, whatever you like. Go to Play Store and search for canva.com. Here, since I have already downloaded it, it is showing open. You will have to install it. So install it. Once installation is done, the same account will be opened the same account which you're using online, that account you can access. Now after it opens, go to video option, and from here take 1920 is to 1080 respect ratio and take a blank template. Now if you want to upload your own video, then either you can go to this upload option, and there you will get the access of all your videos and audios which are already uploaded in Canva. If you need to take some video from your gallery, you also have this gallery option from where you can access the video. For the time being, I am using the same video which I have used online. Therefore, I will come here and I am going to take this video. Here, once the video comes, go to this FX tool option, and here you will get background remover option. The same way we were getting online. On a blink, your background is removed. Now you can stretch and make sure that the video is occupying the entire background. Now, if you want to give any filter, go to this filter option. You can also get different type of filter which is suitable. You can give that, and you can also get category wise filter. Okay. Now here, if you need further adjustments of intensity, you can do it from here. Now once this is done, cross it, and then for getting an appropriate background, you get all these options here at the bottom. Now I want a video background, therefore I will go to video option, and here you can search anything. I'm going to take this video background here. Now once the video background comes, go to these three dots. Go to this. Under more, you have this. If you scroll a little bit rightwards, you get this set video as background option. Just click on that, and on a blink, your video is ready. Now if you are satisfied, go to this top right hand side corner, share option. From here, you either can share it as a template if you want somebody to change it. Otherwise, you can directly download. Go to this download button and it will get downloaded. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.